This year, at the Ozen Collection, we're delighted to welcome back for the third year in a row the winemakers and winery owners from Tenerife's Bodegas Viñátigo. The winemakers and winery owners of Bodegas Viñátigo, Juan Jesus, Jorge and Elena, have gone to Ozen Life Madu and Ozen Reserve Bolifushi to carry out a series of very authentic and unique guest experiences surrounding gastronomy and Canary wine.
Bodegas Viñátigo offers unique and high-quality wines that aligns perfectly with the luxury and innovation at the Ozen Collection.
The Ozen Collection is a good opportunity for us because we have the opportunity to show our wine to the distinguished guests.
For this year's Bodegas Viñátigo masterclasses at Ozen Life Madu and Ozen Reserve Bolifushi, we ran a series of experiences including La Gastronomía de Canarias, pairing Canary gastronomy with ingredients from the Indian Ocean, as well as Canary Asian fusion, perfectly pairing Canary wine with unique Asian delicacies. And finally, Sunset with Shakespeare, to bring Shakespeare back to life through his favorite wine of Malvasía Aromática. Our colleagues within the resorts were true storytellers for the guests as they have visited the island of Tenerife themselves. The trips to Tenerife for the colleagues are true gastronomic experiences and immersive wine training journeys. They're able to become real storytellers and bring back memories to share with the guests.
When I'm seeing that the vines are growing from the landslide eruption and still grows, and I saw one wine which is 200 plus years old and still vines are alive, and it produces the grape till date, and it's unbelievable.
Well, this experience helped me a lot in terms of sharing the journey, and when in terms of elevating the guest experience, I could be able to explain whatever the experience that I had back then in Viñátigo, to explain to the guests how special this bottle and how special the wine is.
This is perfect. This is the speaking about the Canary wines. It's better life.
From the first year we arrived here till nowadays, not only the service, yes, the knowledge that is more important. We can see this development, this evolution, it make us really happy.
People come to the Maldives for a scenic view. However, at the Ozen Collection, we offer them gastronomic experiences along with our wine partners.